All right, it's testing time for this cold cut challenge. Today we're going to do 3 different tests. We're going to do the diameter test, the 12-minute regular light temperature test, and the 12-minute bright light temperature test. So we're going to start with the diameter test, where I'm going to zoom in on our cup, and we're going to measure 5 centimeters up from the base of the cup, and then what is the diameter at that point? It is 8.5 centimeters. All right, so I'm going to record that in my data table, part 3, test 1. Then I'm going to add 200 milliliters of cold water to my cup, put the lid on it with my thermometer. Remember, this is the regular light test. So we're going to let it adjust for just a moment, and then we're going to take our initial temperature reading. And our initial temperature reading is 5.5 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to start my timer. Start a 12-minute timer.
Okay, your timer is set for 12 minutes.
All right, it's been 12 minutes. Let's check our temperature. Appears to be 6 point, I'm going to call that 7 degrees Celsius. I'm recording it in my temperature change data table, which I will share with you. And now we're going to pause and get the right. So I've switched to my bright light scene, which is really hard to see because the light is so bright. The only way I could do this was with sunshine, because I do not have one of our lamps from school. So I know it's hard to see, but my cup is here. I'm trying to give it some shade. I'm going to add my 200 milliliters of cold water and put in the thermometer and allow the thermometer to adjust to the temperature of the water in the cup just for a brief second. And then I will take the initial reading and record it in our data table. So the initial temperature looks to be 5 degrees Celsius. All right, so we're going to get the timer started. Set a 12-minute timer.
Your timer is set for 12 minutes.
All right, 5 degrees. Let's see what happens. All right, it's been about 12 minutes. All right, it's been 12 minutes. Let's check that temperature. Ooh, not looking so good. It looks like 8 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to record that in my data table that I will share with you. And what your homework is for tonight or tomorrow is to look at our test results and evaluate whether or not they lived up to the criteria and constraints, and imagine how you would recommend that I redesign my cup. All right, thanks.